Natural resources प्राकृतिक संपद definition. Natural resources are substances, materials and forces found in nature that are useful to humans for their survival, development and economic activities. They are not created by humans. Rather, they occur naturally in the environment. These resources provide raw materials for industries, energy for power, and food, water, and shelter for living beings. In simple words, anything that we get from nature to fulfill our needs can be called a natural resources. जहाँ सब आम प्रकृति पाई प्राकृतिक संपद कहुए. टाइप्स ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस प्राकृतिक संपदर प्रकार भेद. Natural resources are generally classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable means पुनः सृष्टि करा जाई परिबो. Non-renewable means पुनः सृष्टि करा जाई परिबो नहीं. So, renewable resources are पुनः नवीकरण संपद मान होचंती. These are resources that can be naturally replenished or regenerate. पुनः जेनेरेट करा जाई परिबो, पुनः नवीकरण करा जाई परिबो. Renewable resources with a short period of time. Short period time रे पुनः सृष्टि करा जाई परिबो. Are sustainable if used wisely. आम जदि वाइजली यूज करिबा, भलो भाबरे यूज करिबा ताहले पुनः सृष्टि करा जाई परिबो. जेमिति कि वाटर, रिवर्स, लेक्स एंड वाटर. फॉरेस्ट वुड, ट्रीज यूज्ड फॉर टाइम्बर, पेपर, फ्यूएल. गछ काटी पुणी गछ लगेबा द्वारा आमे रिप्लेनिश्ड रिजेनेरेट करि पारिबा. फॉरेस्ट. सॉइल, फर्टाइल सॉइल यूज्ड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर. उर्वर माटी एग्रीकल्चर पई यूज करथाउ. एयर, ऑक्सीजन एंड क्लीन एयर फॉर ब्रीथिंग. सनलाइट यूज एज सोलर एनर्जी. Wind used to generate wind energy. Non-renewable resources पुनः सृष्टि करा जाई परिबो नहीं. These resources cannot be replenished naturally within a human lifetime or are available in limited quantities. Once they are exhausted, they are gone forever. Like example, fossil fuels, koila, petroleum, natural gas. Minerals, iron, copper, gold, silver. Metals, aluminum, zinc, lead. Importance of natural resources प्राकृतिक संपदर गुरुत्व मानौछंती. Natural resources are vital for human existence and economic development. Some key points are: provides raw materials for industry, iron ore for steel. Provides energy, fuels like koila, petroleum, sunlight and wind. Supports fertile soil and water for farming. Maintenance ecological balance. Forest provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ऑब्जर्व करिक नाम को ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है. इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस. सपोर्ट्स लिवलीहुड, फिशिंग, फॉरेस्ट्री, माइनिंग एंड फार्मिंग. ये सब करके आमे बंची थाउ. फिशिंग, फॉरेस्ट्री, फाइनिंग एंड फार्मिंग. Conclusion. Natural resources are the foundation of life and economic development. Proper use and conservation of these resources are essential to ensure that future generations also have access to them. Misuse or overexploitation can lead to scarcity, environmental degradation and ecological imbalance. Government initiative for natural resources in India and some Odisha. Specific examples to: forest conservation, जंगल संरक्षण. The government takes step to protect forest. जंगलर सुरक्षा पई गवर्नमेंट स्टेप नहीं छंती which are important natural resources. National Forest Policy established 1988 focus on sustainable forest management, afforestation and increasing forest cover. फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट करिबा एंड afforestation वनीकरण करिबा जो द्वारा कि हमर फॉरेस्ट इंक्रीज हेबो, कवर हेबो. ग्रीन इंडिया मिशन एम्स टू इंक्रीज फॉरेस्ट एंड ट्री कवर. फॉरेस्ट इंक्रीज करिबा फॉरेस्ट ट्री कवर करिबा रिस्टोर करिबा डिग्रेडेड इकोसिस्टम एंड इनहांस बायोडाइवर्सिटी। प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर established 1973 protects tigers and their habitats, indirectly conserving forest. Water conservation जल संरक्षण। Water is a crucial natural resource and the government promotes efficient use and conservation. जल शक्ति अभियान focus on water conservation, rainwater harvesting and groundwater management. Namami Gange program cleaning and regenerating the Ganga river. Watershed management programs improve water availability and prevent soil erosion. Soil conservation मृत्तिका संरक्षण। Soil is essential for agriculture and ecosystem health. Soil health card scheme provides farmers with information about soil nutrients and how to improve soil fertility. प्रधानमंत्री कृषि सिंचाई योजना PMKSY aims to enhance irrigation efficiency and conserve soil moisture. Mineral and energy resource management. Non-renewable resources like minerals, koila and petroleum are managed sustainably. National mineral policy encourages sustainable mining, exploration and environmental protection. Renewable energy initiatives. Solar, wind and bioenergy projects to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Biodiversity and wildlife conservation. Protecting species and ecosystems ensures natural resources are sustained. Wildlife Protection Act established 1972 safeguards endangered species and habitats. Biosphere reserves and national parks. Examples include Simlipal, Odisha and Sundarbans, West Bengal. Odisha specific initiatives. Odisha Forestry Sector Development Project focus on forest management and community involvement. Water resource projects, construction of check dams, irrigation canals and watershed management. Renewable energy project, promotion of solar and wind energy in rural areas. Conclusion: the government undertakes multiple initiatives to conserve, manage and sustainable use natural resources. These efforts aim to ensure ecological balance, environmental protection and long-term resource availability for future generations.